Welcome back to the last 15 minutes of the Lone Ranger radio show. Bruce Woodburn, Cross Country Mortgage. Got some calls in on the break. So I was asking earlier, like, since, I'm really geared my business toward personally helping you. And that's not easy to do the volume of business I do and personally help people. That's why a lot of these big mortgage lenders, you'll never talk to the main people. You just talk to their minions. That's all. So I've got a whole team of people that help me put your loan together. Believe me, I couldn't do it on my own. But I pride myself for the last 36 years on being personally involved in each and every client that I have. Each and every client that I have. You get a personal meeting with me. You get a Zoom meeting, a personal meeting, phone calls, updates, Tuesday updates, everything. My realtors get calls from me. So it's a lot of work for me to keep up with that. But one thing I don't have is an answering service for the weekend while I'm on the air. Because I'm on the air Saturdays and Sundays. I'm working 7 days a week, guys. Would it be a problem for you if I had an AI bot answer my calls while I'm on the air on the weekends to take your personal information down? Maybe not your social and date of birth. Are you looking to buy, refinance? Tell me what you want to do, how much you want to spend, what price range you want to be. Maybe I can train a bot that even sounds like me. But I don't know if I want to do that because I don't know what you want. And I'm not going to do what you don't want, period. If you say, I'm fine with it, Bruce, or if I had an option to say, I'll leave a message or I'll talk to a bot, maybe that would work. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm trying to get my feedback. All right, I got to knock out a couple of things here that are important. First of all, I'm very vulnerable with you guys, so you know that. Like I get very personal about my personal business. I'm a 10th grade dropout. You know that I've helped create multiple millionaires through my program. Okay, that is a fact. Why does a 10th grade dropout do so well? Because I am smart and I know money and I know how to help you with it. If you're a physician, you should definitely hire me because you're great at doing what you're doing, but you're not good with your money. Hire me. I will help you. Consult with me. Now, here's the thing. I'm telling you this because I lost 77 pounds with a company called Age Rejuvenation. They've got the best GLP-1s. They've got alternative to GLP-1s. They've got testosterone therapy. They got everything that helped me make me better. And I'm telling you, 77 pounds, 77 pounds, not one day in the gym. That I'm not proud of either, but I'm honest. I want to help you. I want you to call or text me. Matter of fact, you can call or text me. You got my phone number and just say, I want the weight loss program. They're all over the Tampa area. They're all over the Orlando area, Age Rejuvenation, but don't go directly to them. Call me because I got deals for you. Good deals. Now, listen, they are not paying me for this endorsement. I'm doing it because you need it. You're overweight. You're looking a little chunky. You should be in better shape. You're getting older. It ain't getting easier. Your knees are hurting. Your hips are hurting. Your joints are hurting. You're not sleeping at night. You're not having enough sex. Your testosterone's too low. I can help you with that. I'm not going to help you with the sex part, but I'll help you with the testosterone part with them. Okay. You're on your own for that. I'm just telling you that it's a game changer and you don't know it as you get older. You just think it's normal. It ain't normal. Let me help you get back in the saddle. 407-706-3313 or 813-213-4009. All right. Now I want to talk about something else. I want to talk about anybody that's renting right now. Listen to me carefully. And I don't mean to be a jerk because I'm not a jerk. I want to help you. I will bend over backwards to help each and every one of you. There is no such thing as a rich renter. You rent for your whole life. You go into retirement with no money. You're scraping by on Social Security. You got nothing to live for. Home ownership is the key. Look around the room. Look at everyone you know. Separate the ones that own homes from the ones that rent. You tell me who's got the most money. It ain't going to be complicated. It ain't going to be hard. Let me help you get out of the vicious renting cycle and into a home. Go to webringyouhome.com and apply. I got 100% VA, 100% financing USDA, 3% down FHA, 3% down conventional loans, first time home buyer programs. I got everything you need. There's no doggone excuse. There's no excuse. I'll help you get your credit score up if your credit score ain't as good. But you got to listen to me. You got to be disciplined. I am disciplined, very disciplined. I'm not, listen, you got a 10th grade dropout here, man. If I couldn't have had the success that I've had if I wasn't disciplined. I'm highly disciplined. I do what I'm told by my wife, and I have a team that keeps me highly accountable. So here's what I want to move into. If you're renting, I need you to call me now. Stop it. Just plain stop it. If you got adult children or grandchildren or employees, help them. By God, help them. Because if you leave them money when you're dead, they're going to buy a Boston Whaler. They're going to buy an 80-inch screen TV. Okay. That's what they're going to do. They're going to piss your hard-earned money away. You do it while you're alive and you protect the future investment. You teach them to become a homeowner. Give them a gift to help them with the down payment. It's the hardest thing for people to come up with today. Give them a gift. You're going to give it to them anyway. Do it while you're alive and watch them grow, watch them mature, watch them become better Americans because they're homeowners. That's how you do it. Now, I got every program you need. Now I want to switch gears to you people that already have a home and you want to accumulate more wealth and real estate's the ticket. Okay. I have, for self-employed people, I have a bank statement program because I already know you're already writing off all kinds of stuff. You're writing it all off. Keep writing it off. Bring me your last 12 months bank statements. I will average them up and I'll give you 50% of that average deposits as income. So you're depositing $40,000 a month. I'll give you 20 grand a month in income. If you're 1099, I'll give you 90% of your 1099, which is about 90% more than you're claiming. Okay. Now, if you're an investor, you want to buy investment properties and you are self-employed or you don't want to show all your income because you got multiple companies and it's complicated and you don't want to give P&Ls and balance sheets and letters from your CPA, good. Leave them at home too. My DSCR, debt service coverage ratio. That means the only income that I'm going to use is the income that the rental property produces. I need a 1-to-1 ratio. So you want to buy a $450,000 rental property? You want to put 20% down? If that payment is $3,000 a month for the rent, then you got to be able to get $3,000 a month in rent. That's a 1-to-1 ratio. You're good to go. Now, you do have to have decent credit. You can't have crappy credit. It's got to be pretty good. These loans aren't for bad credit score buyers. They're for good credit score buyers that don't want to provide all their income documents. And even if you can, sometimes it's better not to. My DSCR, I can get my interest rate is close, like within a quarter of a point of a conventional investment transaction. And yet the required documentation is a tenth of what it is. I just closed on a $3.5 million transaction for a guy buying an investment property. Comes to me, says, that's the easiest mortgage I ever got in my life. I'm like, I told you. You can do it. Let me help you. 813-213-4009. That's 813-213-4009. Or go to webringyouhome.com. Orlando, 407-706-3313. I'm right here to help you, folks. Let's get them done. All my friends down in Tampa, Wesley Chapel, Lakeland, all around Hillsborough, Pasco County. You're all up and down the corridor, all the way down to Cape Coral, Fort Myers. It's you guys. I hear from you every day, and I love hearing from you. Let's just keep it going. I'm here to help you. Let's make money and let's do it in real estate. Now, listen, I'm not a fool. I don't even have all my money invested in real estate. I'm diversified. You should be too, but you got to have a portfolio of real estate. I got a friend of mine. They're a couple. They're both attorneys. They make about $3 million a year between the two of them. They have no rental properties. You know how much they paid in taxes last year? $1 million. $1 million in taxes. You know how much they should have paid? About 100,000, maybe 300, 10%. You don't have to pay 30%. You don't have to do that. There's ways around that. I did a whole tax seminar with Claudio Gambin, a tax strategist, that you can go on my YouTube page and watch it. You don't have to pay that. This guy saved me $135,000 in taxes. You want me to connect you with some really good people, some movers and shakers? Then do business with me. Let's do some business together. I'll connect you. My name is Bruce Woodburn. I'm the Lone Ranger. You can reach me now, 407-706-3313, 813-213-4009, or WeBringYouHome.com. So we've talked about a lot of things. We talked about why you should not pick your own real estate agent and the referral program I have that is so much better than you picking, and you get 25% of the realtor's commission back in your pocket. It's a no-brainer, folks. We've talked about my first-time home buyer programs. We talked about why renters need to give their head a shake and give me a call. We've talked about why, if you have adult children or grandchildren, how to help them as a gift for a down payment. There's a process to that. I will help you with that. Help your generation create wealth, because they're not going to do it the right way when you're dead. Have a will and trust. You have to have a will and trust. You've got to. You've got to have a ladybird deed. There's all kinds of things I can help you with when it comes to that. Now, I also told you I was going to talk to you about the whole property tax thing being eliminated. Here's the reality. It ain't going to happen. Not now. Until they come up with a game plan on where the replacement money is going to come from, nobody's going to vote for it. It passed the House. It failed the Senate. It's not going to work. We got to come up with a better plan, but we need to work on it because it is legitimate and it can save homeowners money and it will make homeownership more affordable. So don't go whining about affordability and go, I don't really know anything about this tax bill that they had. It's because you didn't care enough to know about it. So go to my YouTube page and watch all the videos I do with Tom McNamara on how that whole program works. But it ain't going to happen this time. It ain't going to happen. So now I want to end, and I want to end with this. My job is to help people create wealth in home ownership. I'm a homeowner. I have investment properties, commercial, residential. I love helping young people. I want to get renters out of renting. It's a dead end street. I want to help self-employed people with better products that aren't so complicated. So when you hear the Lone Ranger, you know that I'm real. I meet with people in person. I want you to tell me whether I should hire a weekend bot to take my phone calls. I want to know from you. Should I do it? Shouldn't I do it? What would you like? Do you want to talk to a bot or do you want to talk to a human? Personally, I kind of lean toward the humans. That's what I do. Write my number down. I got to go. It's the end of the show. 407-706-3313. 813-213-4009 for my Tampa Bay friends. Or go to WeBringYouHome.com. I promise no one will lie. No one will cheat. No one will lead you in a direction for a higher commission like your banks do all the time and mortgage brokers. Don't fall for it. If you need a realtor, let me help you. You got somebody who wants to buy, let me help you. You need to refinance, I'm here to help you. God bless each and every one of you. I'm blessed to have you listen, blessed to have you just follow me and know that I'm always there for you. Have a great weekend. God bless.